Welcome to Working Bank Aspirant channel.
Hello all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, I'm already making videos on salary slips, right? Previously I have made videos on RRBPO salary slip and IBPS PO salary slip. The people who are not watched till now, please go and watch that videos because the starting examination calendar and bank examination starts with RRBPO, right? And the people who are aspiring for the RRBPO examinations, it will bit add a motivational for you, and it will bit add a strength for you to get and to prepare yourself to get the job, guys. Okay, and coming to this video, guys, this is the salary slip of IBPS clerk. So I have already said, right, previously only I will make videos on salary slips just for the motivational purpose, guys. I am making salary slip videos only for motivational purpose because we are during the preparation we are having ups and downs and we will feel demotivated during the preparation. So at that time, whenever you are aspiring for particular position or particular banking examination, for either for IBPS or RRPO or IBPS clerks or whatever examination you are preparing for, just check that salary slips. It will give just somewhat motivation for you, and for your preparation also it will boost up, guys. So this is the personal thing I am saying to you all, because sometimes while during preparation also I feel demotivated. So at that time I'll check the salary slip videos and I'll think that in future I'll prepare well. Now in future I'll get this much of salary, so to become more financial independent. So that is the only thing we are all looking for, right, in the future. So okay guys, coming to the this video and starting this video. So this is the salary slip of IBPS clerk, guys, and it is a new joining salary slip. And then I'll clearly explain the basic pay, and I'll clearly explain the net gross pay and net pay, and what is the exact salary in the hands, and also the allowances we will get apart from the salary. Okay guys, let's start this video. This is the salary slip of Central Bank of India, guys. In IBPS we know, right, there are some list of banks. So based upon the preferences and based upon the marks, we will get whatever the bank we are aspiring for. So based upon the merit list I am saying. So this is the salary slip of Central Bank of India. So the job code will be, we know, right, customer service associate to CSA. They have been changed recently to CSA, right? It is the clerical cadre, which is clerical staff cadre. Okay guys, you can see the basic pay is 26,730 rupees, the basic pay of IBPS clerk. And here, and the second point is contributory pension employer, which is of 4,709 rupees. I'm clearly explaining each and every point, guys. The people who want to know the net and gross pay salary, you can skip the full video if you want. You can check by the end of the video if you want to know. So if you want to know each and every allowances which what you will get during the IBPS clerk position, so please watch the full video. And also the people who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys, because in upcoming I'll also make videos on SBI salary slips, RRB clerk salary slips. So stay tuned for upcoming videos. Okay, coming to this video, and special allowance will be 7,083 rupees, guys. And also I'm not including that extra paisa allowances. Okay, here you can see, guys, the pension we will get by the end of our retirements or at the time. So that money also will include this in our pay, and we will get at that time. So now in the salaries it will detect, but even though by the end of the retirement or by the end of the thing, we can take that pension employer money, guys. Okay, coming to the special allowance, which is dearness allowance, we can say, which is of 1218 rupees, and dearness allowance on special pay, which is of 338 rupees, and also special pay is of 1970 rupees. You can think here we are getting many points, right? So uh, there is a one point, guys, the people who will do somewhat extra activity, extra work, I can say extra works, or there will be some extra allowance also will be offering for them, as I heard. I am not sure about that, but as I heard. So because one of my friend working in this clerk cadre, so they have been told all these points to me. So it is one of the good thing I felt. Okay, coming to the transport allowance, there is an 850. And also one point I need to say, guys, all these allowances you are seeing it, right? So it is including all extra allowances also in hand. Okay, this transport allowance we can get in either of 2 points, guys. One is if you're not if you don't have any vehicle, you will get a static amount of 850 around like that. And if you are having vehicle and register on your name, and you can avail for petrol which is around of 2500 something, so they will give around 20 15 to 20 liters cost of money to you if you are having vehicle and it should be registered on your name. Then you can apply for that, guys, by submitting all that, and you will definitely get that money. So it will be comparatively high the people who are not having the vehicle. So the people who are not having the vehicle, even though they will provide the transport allowance, but it will be a bit low compared to that. So it is 850 rupees. And coming to the transport allowance, which is DA, which is of 146 rupees, guys. And also one more thing, dearness allowance, which is of 4597 rupees, and HRA it is around 2941. And also I need to add one more point here. The house rent allowance will vary from city to city. So if you, there will be tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 cities, right? So it will be based upon that. So HRA will vary from city to city. If you are from tier 1, it will be a bit high. If you are from tier 2, it will be moderate. It will be, so there will be separate HRAs will be provided for based upon the tiers. So if possible, in upcoming videos I'll try to make video on that, for which kind of metro tiers we will get how much of salary and how much of HR I can say. So I'll definitely going to make a video on that. And coming to the deductions, it will be contributory pension player employer. I have already said, right? So which will comes with our salary, but it will deduct for the future purpose. So which is of 4709 rupees. Okay, and also contributory pension employee. We are having to write. Don't get confused, guys. There will be, we are having employer, pension employer, and pension employee. There will be two type things it will detect. Okay, which is of 3364, guys. Okay, here you can see, right, the gross pay will be 50,585, and total deductions will be 8073 rupees, and the net pay is 42,512 rupees. It is the net pay, guys, which is around 43,000. It will be in your hands. And also apart from this, you can also get an extra allowances of newspaper, guys. It is amazing. And also you will get allowance for the recharge bills, and also you will get allowances for the transport. I have already said it will be somewhat extra here, they have been mentioned, even though there will be extra compared to that. So by combining all these points, you will get in around of 45,000 in hand. So there will be a separate thing we should apply and submit proofs for that, and definitely will get that extra allowances, no problem for that. But this is the basic pay of this is the net pay and in hand pay of IBPS clerk, guys. As a fresher, if you are preparing for the banking examinations, and if you are aspiring for the examinations for a clerk level position, 45,000 is not even a small thing, guys. The people who are still dependent on parents till now, and if you are to be independent, then this salary is best, frankly saying. And also the people who want more salary like 70, 65 around, so please prepare for the PO level examinations. But compared to PO, there will be less pressure and stress in these clerk level positions, guys. Okay, and this is the thing I need to say from my end also. Before going to end this video, I just want to say one thing, guys. If you waste your time by scrolling reels, scrolling shorts, there is nothing use. If you want to be independent, please try to utilize your time and try to be consistent, and also try to focus on weak areas and make that strong. And also the people who want to prepare for the RRB PO and clerk examinations, I already made a strategy video, guys. Please go and check that, because I have already cleared RRB PO prelims, and I have given mains examination. And also after mains examination, I have not cleared mains, only with few marks left. So I'll definitely going to upload my scorecards in upcoming videos for sure, once the notification will get released. And also the people who are aspiring and who are in the starting stage of preparation, and also who are little bit confused, please go and check my strategy video, because that is the exact strategy I have been followed for my prelims examination, which got me to get cleared for that examination. So, and the fee and for the mains I'll make another video in the upcoming days, and also I am already making videos on salary slips, right? The in future I'm going to make salary slip on SBI PO also, for Arabic Club. So the people who have not watched till now Arabic PO and IBPS PO salary, please go and watch that videos. And the people who want any kind of particular videos, please comment me in the comment section, guys. I'm definitely going to make videos on that topics. And also thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updated notification and about live test, and also about government examination notifications. Please stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for my videos.